Okay, so today is our first day. We will start from CATIA environment. Okay, so once you launch CATIA, yeah, see here, here we are having some tabs. Okay, on start you will find different workbench. Can you see? These are the workbench. How many workbench we are going to use? Tell me. One, two, three. For now only three. Which one? Part modeling. Yeah. GSD assembly. These are the three workbench we are going to use. If you want to work on any project, you should know this workbench. Part modeling, GSD, assembly. What is GSD? Who can tell me? Unmute and tell me. I'm not going to check your chats in chat box. Please unmute. What is GSD? Generative shape design. Got it? Yes. What is generative shape design? Who can tell me? What we will do in this workbench? No idea. In generative shape design, we are going to do surfacing. Okay, tell me who are interested in part modeling and who are interested in generative shape design in surfacing.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Who can tell me where we will use surfacing? In
Where
which
it is
area? Which
2D
the
drawings, right? Generative shape design means we are doing
we are
okay,
doing?
okay. Interior parts and body shapes.
Yeah, yes. See, generative shape design means, as I mentioned,
Body
surfacing.
body headlights, bodies, bumpers,
Yes.
dashboards
Yeah, yeah.
means aerodynamic shapes. Aerodynamic shapes.
Awesome.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Means irregular shapes. Yeah, not non-uniform shapes. Sur surfaces something like this. Yes, this you can do in GSD. This is GSD. What is part modeling then? When will we will use part modeling? Any idea?
Means pipe works and solid parts, engine parts, sir.
Okay. See, we will use part modeling where you have straight faces, something like this. Yes. Yeah. Something like this. You can do in part modeling. But for irregular shapes and the styling shapes, we will use GSD. Clear till this point? So we are going to start from part modeling, then we will start GSD, then we will shift to assembly. Now tell me what is assembly? When we will use assembly
Yes.
workbench? When we will use assembly
Whatever
workbench?
parts we are created in other workbenches that we can assemble by whatever
Hmm.
we are created in part modeling, GSD or other sheet metal parts we can
Hmm.
assemble in assembly workbench.
Awesome. Okay.
Means
May,
engine.
hmm?
To build an engine, we are using that parts, right?
Yeah. May I know your good name? Who is answering?
Mallikarjun.
Mallikarjun. Oh, okay. Awesome. See, as Mallikarjun mentioned, let's say this is your one part. Okay. Here you will have screw. Let's say something like this. This is your first part. This is your second part. Let's say I'm using one screw over here. I'm using one screw. Here is the second screw. Okay. So what is this? What is this complete product? What is this?
The two clamps, I think.
No, no, means what you will say to this product.
Assembled part.
Yeah, this is assembly. Got it? Why assembly? Because this is your first part. This is your first part. This is your second part. And this is your third part. Is this your fourth part? Yes, no? Is this your fourth part?
No, third part we can use multiple copies.
Yeah. Awesome, Mallikarjun. Okay. So this is not your fourth part. It will be a third part, but in quantity too. Okay. So this we called it as assembly. This is GSD and this is part modeling. Any doubt till this point? So we are going to learn these three workbench. So once you learn these three workbench, you are ready to work on live project, which will be in CATIA. Now I think you can ask one doubt, sir. Are we going to use kinematic workbench? Yes, but not right now. To get a job, to crack the interview, to work on live project, these three workbench are mandatory. Starting from part modeling, then we'll shift to GSD, then assembly. Some of the project we will need kinematics. Sometime we don't need. What we call it as kin. Let's say kin kinematics. Okay, so we will also learn this point, but we maximum time we will spend on part modeling. Most of the candidate will need more time for surface generation, means generative shape design, and then assembly. Any doubt till this point? Yes, no?
No, sir. Clear.
Okay, thank you. See, once you come on start tab, here you will find part. In your CATIA, you will not find these three. Why? Because I have created shortcut. Can you see? Control plus one, control plus two, control plus three. But you will find these tools. In mechanical design, you will find part design. What does it mean? Part modeling. Okay. In shapes, you will find generative shape design. Okay. And in for assembly, we will also need DMU space analysis, but right now we will not focus on this. Okay. Just we will focus on part design, assembly design, and generative shape design. So we will start from part design. In part design and surfacing, what will be the common? Who can guess what will be the common? Yes, Mallikarjun, what will be the common in GSD and part modeling? Sketching will be the common. You will need sketching in part modeling also. You will need sketching in generative shape.
Yeah.
So the sketching workbench will be common in both.
Yeah.
Clear? So
Yes. Yes. You are right. You are right, sir.
yeah.
Right. Yes.
So here you can see we don't need this tab. Okay. No use of this tab for now. From file you can open a new file. You can open your previous file in edit. You can use this tool. View, insert tools. If you want to set up any setting of CATIA, what you can do, you can go to tools option. Here you will find all options. If you want to set anything, you can set from this. Suppose your system is means your system is having low configuration, low graphics and all. Just go to display and you can play with this setting, okay, to increase your CATIA speed, processing speed, okay, performance, visualization. Go to performance and you can play with this setting. Okay, so let's start from part modeling. Start. Where is part modeling? In mechanical design, part design. Click. Okay. So here you will find one small window. There will be two box. First option is enable hybrid design. Second option is create a geometrical set. For now, I will not explain, sir, what is the difference. I will explain this point after 2-3 days. Okay. So for now, you have to just tick create a geometrical set. Don't tick this one. Just select second option, press OK. So what does it mean? This is a part file name. Okay. Part name. This is axis system. Sorry, plane. XY plane. Can you see this compass? This is our compass. Here you can find Z, Y, X. So this is your, which axis is perpendicular to this plane? Which is the axis? ZX or Y? Which axis is perpendicular to this plane?
Z axis.
Z axis. So what will be the name for this plane? What can be the name for this plane?
XY.
X.
XY plane, sir.
Yeah, we can call it as XY plane or Z plane. Yeah, Z plane. Got it? Same for this.
Yeah.
Name for this plane?
Y plane.
No, no, this one. Please check.
YZ plane.
YZ
Sorry.
plane. Yeah, YZ plane. Another name?
Z plane, I
No,
think.
no, no. Which axis is perpendicular to this plane?
X axis.
So what will be the second name for this plane?
Y.
X plane.
Okay.
Okay, so see, the axis which is perpendicular to the respective plane, we will call it as axis plane. Let's call it as
Okay.
axis plane. Means now this plane, y-axis is perpendicular to this plane. So what will the name for this plane? You can call it as y plane or
Okay. Okay.
xz plane. Got it?
Okay.
See, these are
Yes,
some
sir. Yes.
technical terms we are going to use in our projects. Okay. If someone is telling you draw the sketch on y plane, you should know which is the y plane. Take the measurement from z plane. You should know what is z plane. Okay. So these are the three by default planes, x, y, z planes. This is geometrical set and this is
Sir,
part body. Part body. Yes. Yes.
sir, I don't understand how to see X, Y, Z axis. Can
Okay.
you
Okay.
explain one time?
Yeah. I will repeat. No issue. See, your good name,
Sir, Lokesh Kumar.
Lokesh Kumar. So I think you are the only one who are not getting or who wants to learn. Okay. Rest are the smart students or smart candidate. Okay. So don't worry. See, Lokesh, Can you see the compass? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Here, can you see Y, X, and Z? Okay. So see what I
Yes,
will
sir.
do for you only. What I will do, I will draw the all plane here. Now see, I will use a different color. Uh, 1, 2. Got it? Now tell me, sorry, your good name? I forgot. Lokesh.
Location.
Okay. See here you can see Z plane. Yes, this is Z
Yes, sir.
axis. So on which plane this axis is perpendicular? Tell me the color.
Yeah.
Perpendicular,
Yellow.
yellow. So what is the name for the yellow plane? What can be the name for yellow plane? You can call it as Z
Z.
plane. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Now tell me which is our Y plane. Here is our Y. Which is our Y plane?
Sir, we are
Green.
not seeing screen.
You are not able to see screen. Is it visible, Lokesh?
Yes, sir. Visible.
So please check your internet connection. It is visible. Lokesh, tell me which is the Y plane?
Sir, green.
Not green. Is it perpendicular to Y? Which plane is perpendicular to Y?
Sir, how can I see the perpendicular to plane?
Red.
Yeah.
Perpendicular to
See. Lokesh, here you can see this is your Y. Yes? Yes? This is your Y plane, Y
Yes,
direction.
sir.
Clear?
Yes,
Suppose
sir.
I draw same line over here. Now tell me which is the perpendicular plane to Y. Red or green?
Green.
Green is not perpendicular, it is parallel. No?
Sir, green. Red, sir.
See, just a minute. Now tell me about X. This is your X axis.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now which plane is perpendicular to X axis? I'm asking
Mm.
perpendicular, not parallel. Okay.
Perpendicular means
90-degree. Quickly, which is a plane perpendicular to X? Normal to
sir,
X.
green.
Green is normal to X. Agree?
can I?
Yes. Lokesh, is
Yes,
it clear or not?
sir.
Lokesh,
Yes, sir.
is it clear?
Yes, sir.
See, I will take the screenshot for now. See, it is your first day. Okay. It is not necessary that all point you should cover. Okay. Just watch the recording. You will get the point. Okay. See, now it is here. Now Lokesh, tell me, this is your Z axis. Yes, vertical is Z axis. From this point, it is your Z axis. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Tell me which is the perpendicular plane to Z axis. This
Sir, sun.
this one. Agree?
Yellow. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me,
Okay, sir.
this is your Y axis. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Same line I am drawing over here. This is your y-axis. Now tell me which plane is perpendicular to y-axis. This one.
Center. Yes, sir.
So this is your y-plane.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me last one. This is your x-axis. Okay. This is your
Okay.
x-axis. Now tell me which plane is perpendicular to x-axis. This one.
The balance.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this is your x-plane. Got it? Any doubt?
Yes.
Very
No, sir. No,
simple.
sir. Yes, sir. I understand, sir.
Awesome. See, you can ask me same question 100 times. Okay. No issue. We are here to learn. Okay. So today we will learn, see how to identify in which workbench we are doing our work. Here you will find one logo, small symbol. Here can you see on top right corner? Once you hover your mouse on that icon, you will find part design. Can you see? Is it visible? Part design? Yes, no?
Yes, sir. This is
Yeah. So we are in part design. Otherwise, some experienced guy can tell me how to identify. You can identify the tools. Okay, what experienced guys will do? Sir, these tools are from part modeling. These are not from surfacing. So that's why we are in part modeling. Okay. So these are our planes, these are geometrical set, these are bodies. Okay, let me tell you one thing. So what is the meaning of geometrical set? What is part body? See, you have to notice some point, okay? Can you see the logo? The green logo. Let's use green color. Yeah, here you will find yellow. This is the icon for surfacing. This is the icon for part modeling. What is part modeling? Solid modeling. Sir, what is GSD? What is geometrical set? In geometrical set, we will do GSD operations. Everyone knows GSD. What is GSD? Quickly.
generative shape design.
What is generative shape design? What we will do in that?
Irregular shapes.
Yeah, surfacings. Okay. So everyone got it. What is the use of geometrical set and part modeling? So whenever we use any command from GSD, it will go inside geometrical set. Okay. When if you want to use some part modeling commands, you will need one. You every time you will need body. Okay. This we called as body, and this is geometrical set. Any doubt till this point? Yes, no? Shall we move forward? Any doubt you can ask?
No, sir.
Yes.
Clear.
Okay. See, next point, sir, how to set up the shortcuts? Yeah. So anyhow, we are going to use CATIA tool. We can create our own shortcuts. See, here you can see I'm hiding the plane. Click, space, click, space, click, space. I'm using spacebar from my keyboard. Again, just to show plane, select the plane, space, select the plane, space, space. Sir, how to set up the shortcut? Okay. So to increase your speed, to improve your speed, we will set up some shortcuts from the keyboard. Right click, right click on the toolbar, topmost or the right, any toolbar, just right click, click on this down arrow, go to customize, In toolbar, in commands, okay, go to last option. In this left box, go to last option, all commands. Here you will find all options: bot bottom, back, front, ISO view, left side view, right side view, top view. Suppose you want hide show. If you want to set your spacebar for hide show, what you will do? Just press H. You will go to hide show command. This is not hide show. This is not hide show. Here you will find hide show. Okay. Click on show property. In accelerator, you will type space. In ugnx, it will be empty. Something like this, blank. Just type SPACE. Click on close. Now here is your shortcut. Use space button to hide. Click on the plane. Use space button to show. Simple? Yes, no? Clear till this point?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So first day you will need some inputs or how to use mouse in CATIA. See, once you click on the scroll button, you have to press the scroll button. You can hold the 3D and you can move like this by clicking the middle button, means scroll button. You can move it. We will not use this word move. We called it as pan, Pan. Just click and hold your middle mouse button, yeah, scroll button, and move your mouse like this. Okay. Nearly 4 to 5 days you will take to control the mouse in CATIA. Okay. So click the middle button and move it like this. You will hold the 3D and you can move it. Okay. Middle mouse, right click one time. Okay. Move your mouse frontward, it will be zoom in. Move your mouse outward, it will be zoom out. Okay. So don't do anything for now. What we will do, we will learn one command, the position sketch. So for now, how can I hide this all three planes in one shot? How can I hide this in one click? What I will do, I will click over here. I will hold the left button. I will drag my mouse like this. I have selected all three plane. And what is the shortcut for the hide and show? What is the shortcut I have set? Quickly,
Space.
space. Got it? So in today's session, what you will do? Here you will find
Space.
one. Yeah, you will set the
Space.
shortcut space. Now, suppose I hide all these three plane. I will put one point. Here you will find one tool point. Hold it and pull it out. This is a command point. Click on it. Set 000. Don't change anything. It is your first day. Don't change anything. Just press OK. You will get one point. On this point, you will put one access system. This is access system. Clear? This is your access system. Click on it. On origin, you will select this point. In origin selection, you will select this point. It is selected. See, point 1. Just click on this point 1. Press OK. Now, in sketching, just click on this black arrow. You will find two sketch command. First one is a simple sketch. Second one is a position sketch. What is our golden rule? Our golden rule is we will use only position sketch, not simple sketch. In our complete career, we will use only position sketch. Means the second one. Okay. We will click on position sketch. In position sketch, you will find some type. Don't change anything. Okay. Don't change anything. Just click over here on this reference box. Select the top plane. Now, what I'm saying, the top plane. Why top plane? Because this plane is visible from top side, or what I can call it. Which plane is this? Lokesh, which plane is this?
Z plane.
Z
Yeah,
plane.
Z plane. Okay. What is our first golden rule? Which sketch we will use? Simple sketch or position sketch?
Positions.
Position.
Yeah.
Positions.
So in your complete design career, you will use only position sketch. Okay. In reference, I have selected this Z plane. Here you can see it is highlighted in orange color. What is our golden rule? Second golden rule. On right side, I will keep H. There is some background noise. Please mute. Please mute. There is some background noise. Okay. See, what is our second golden rule? The golden rule is on right side, we will keep H. RIGHT, right? We will keep H. On top side, upside, we will keep V. Clear? See, I'm taking the screenshot.
Yes.
Uh, okay, finish. Yeah. Sorry, by mistake, I have sent the screenshot in another group. No issue. This is our regular batch group. Okay, G24.1. Okay. So what was our rule? See, I want to draw sketch in this top plane, means Z plane. So it will be something like this. So what I will do? I will reverse V and reverse H. See here you will find reverse V and reverse H. So what is our rule? On right side, what I will keep? This side, H or V.
H.
And this
H
side,
right.
top side,
V.
V up.
V up. Okay. See, for this what I will do? Reverse H, it is reverse, and it is downside, V is downside, reverse V, it is upside. Now is it okay? I want to draw sketch on this plane. Press OK. I will draw one. Here you will find one rectangle, yeah? For it is your first day, don't try all tools. Just do only one or two tools. Okay. Select the rectangle. Click, one click, second click. See, I am saying click. Don't drag your mouse, okay? Just don't click and pull this like this. Don't pull like this. First click is this
Sir, I
corner.
am unable to see the screen.
I think you are
Sir,
facing. I think you are having
hello,
some
sir.
network issue. Hello. So this is your rectangle. Any doubt how to use rectangle? Rectangle. One click. Move your mouse. Second click. Okay. Now I am in which workbench? I am in which workbench? Quickly. I am in sketching workbench. Here you can see all commands of sketching. Yes. Which sketch?
Sketcher
Yeah,
workbench.
sketch a workbench. Okay. So I have drawn one, two, and three rectangle. You can see here, you can find the icon. Once you hover your mouse, here you can see sketcher. Okay. Okay, so I have done with the sketching. How to exit the sketching workbench? Here is the exit workbench. Click on it. Now you are in part design again. You are in part modeling. Okay. So if you're see how to use the mouse, middle click, hold it and move the mouse. It is moving. Yes, release it. The second movement is middle click, click right button one time and move your mouse front and rear. Zoom in, zoom out. Clear? The second movement is hold the middle button, hold the right button and rotate it. Clear? Yes, no? Any doubt? Shall I repeat?
Yes.
See again, I am repeating. Hold the middle button, hold it, okay? Move your mouse. This is pan, okay? This is pan. Hold the middle button, right click once, zoom in, move forward your mouse. This is zoom in, move rearward. This is zoom out. Zoom in, zoom out, front, rear. Okay. Third motion, hold the middle button, hold the right button and rotate it. Clear? So for today, this is enough. Yeah, this was your first day. Any doubt? Want to ask any questions? Yes.
Hello.
Yes. Yeah, I can hear you.
I'm in this. Actually, I'm not in the group, WhatsApp group of second weeks CAD-VERCITY. I want to join that. And my second question is, I'm not doing this CATIA Wi-Fi.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So see, now I am taking simple sketch. This is only sketch. Okay. And the second one is position sketch.
Okay.
In simple sketch, are you getting any window to select VNH, to change the orientation, to control VNH? Are you getting any window? See, I activate the
No,
tool.
sir.
See, I'm again selecting the top plane. That's it. It is not
Okay.
asking to control VNH. I'm not able to control it. By default, it will take. Okay.
Oh. Yeah, yeah. Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
I
So
got, I got.
in position sketch, you will find multiple option. In position sketch, select the plane. Suppose I'm selecting the X plane. This is my X plane. Here you will find implicit part, origin, projection point, intersect to line, curve, intersect, everything. Again, this option. But in simple sketch, you will not find these options. You are not able to control reverse H, reverse V, swap. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
This is
Okay.
an interview question. Okay. What is the difference between position sketch and simple sketch? Write it down in your notes. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
This
Thank you.
is
Thank you.
an
Okay.
interview question for fresher. Final year guys, please note it down. Any doubt? Next doubt? Any doubt you can ask. Okay. Any doubt?
Hello, sir.
Yes. Your good name?
Sir, can we? I'm Mohammed Sadid, sir.
Mohammed. Hi Mohammed. Yes.
Sir, can we get this recording video, sir?
Yeah. Yes, you will get it. No issue.
Okay.
Yeah. Next question. Quickly. See, you have opportunity to ask question. Any question. We are here to help you. Any questions? I can repeat any command. No issue.
Actually, I have doubt in the triangle part. How it is
Uh,
made.
which triangle?
I mean, the big one and the small one inside.
The rectangle?
Rectangle.
What is the confusion means? What is your doubt? How to make this rectangle?
Yes, yes.
See, for now, I will hide this sketch one. Okay. Select the sketch, hide it. Okay. See, I'm drawing new sketch. Position sketch. Which sketch we will use? Position sketch. Select the top plane. This is my top plane. As per our golden rule, if I move like this, my V should be upward. In right side, my it should be something like this on right side. So I will reverse V and reverse H. Press OK. Now I am in Sketcher workbench. Here you will find rectangle. Click on it. Okay, it is activated now. Yes. Click here.
Hmm.
Move your mouse. Don't drag your mouse. Okay. Drag means what? Just holding your button and pulling the mouse. It is drag. You don't have to drag. Just click one click over here. Second click over here. That's it. Again, you want to draw a second rectangle. Again, activate the command. This rectangle. Click one. Move your mouse. Click two. Done with the commands. Exit workbench. Here you will find exit workbench. You will exit the Sketcher workbench. Click it. Hold your mouse, middle button, hold the right button and rotate it like this. Okay?
Sir,
Yes?
sir, if you want to make that rectangle in exact in origin, then what
Okay.
we have to do, sir?
Okay. See, I'm hiding this sketch. I will draw a new sketch. Okay? Hide it. Select the sketch, press space button. Position sketch, top plane, again reverse V, reverse H, press OK. Sir, how to draw a rectangle about the origin? Your good name, please?
Muhammad Sadid, sir.
Mohammed. In this black arrow, can you see the black arrow near the rectangle?
Yeah.
Click on it. Take the last second option, this one, centered rectangle.
Okay.
Select the origin. Click on the origin like this. And this is your first click and this is your second click. Got it?
Sir, is this applicable for any shape or else only for rectangle, sir?
See, this is your circle. Can you see the
Yeah.
circle?
Yeah.
Select the circle. Click on the origin. Second click. It is about origin again.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Inside here, inside rectangle, you will find hexagon also. Try it. Try try this by yourself. Okay.
Okay, sir.
We will discuss all these. See, anyhow, we are going to do all these tools. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
So one by one, you will get this point. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So is it clear, Mohammed, how to draw
Yeah,
centered
sir. Yeah,
rectangle
yeah, yeah. It's
circle
clear.
about the origin?
Yeah, yeah. It's clear, sir.
Okay. Any doubt?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, one more doubt I have.
Huh?
Why we are making horizontal and vertical reverse in position sketch? What
Okay.
is the reason?
Okay. See, now I'm exit workbench. I'm hiding this sketch. Again, position sketch. See, cut. What is CATIA? It is completely programming. Okay. It is a
Yes.
programming so yeah, programming. So what is the practice means what we can say what is the method in CATIA? Once you select any plane, CATIA will take orientation like this.
Yes. Right side and top. Right.
Okay.
Okay.
So you have to select what you want. You want how what will the orientation you want. Okay. So you can control the orientation. Okay. Anyhow, let's say it is V and it is H. Sorry, it is V and H. What will happen? Is it possible? No. What CATIA will do?
No.
CATIA will change the orientation. What CATIA will do? CATIA will shift like this and it will be it will twist about vertical axis. So once it rotate, it will be something like this. It will be V and it will be
Means
H.
it will rotate like anti-clockwise
Yeah.
when we exit from the sketch.
No, when you click on OK, na, it will
Yeah.
rotate. It will
Okay.
set
Okay.
something like this. See, within 5 days, you will get this idea, sir, why we are using position sketch. Just give 5 days. Till next Saturday or Sunday, you will get all ideas of what is the importance of position sketch, why it is important. why we are not using this
Okay, sir.
simple sketch. Yeah. So
Okay,
for
okay. Thank
5
you,
days,
sir.
just follow. You can ask the doubt, no issue. It is a logical question, okay? No issue.
Okay. Okay. In interview also they will ask, like,
Yeah, they will ask. Yeah, they will ask, sir, what is the difference between simple sketch and position sketch? Why you are using the position sketch? See, even though they are not asking, suppose the question is what is simple sketch and position sketch? Yeah, you have to give the
yeah.
answer. In simple sketch, we are not able to control the vertical and horizontal. We are not able to swap it, but in position sketch, we can control it. That's why we are using position sketch.
Yes, yes. Okay, sir. I got.
Yeah,
Thank you.
most welcome. Okay, then see, we will stop over here. At 10 p.m. we have regular batch. Yes, the candidate who wants to join regular batch can join. Who don't want to join can leave it. Okay, thank you.
Sir, can you post the 2 weeks CAD-VERCITY WhatsApp group in, sir?
Oh yeah, we will share the link. Okay, please join the link. Yeah, please join the group.
Sir,
Sure.
another thing, now you
Hmm.
have told that you are